Hey, howdy, rock tumblers. Today I'm actually not tumbling rocks. I have tumbled glass. I found some glass along the railroad tracks. I was going for a walk and I kept finding glass and I thought, oh, I got to tumble this. I'm cleaning up trash at the same time. So these have been tumbling since Saturday. Today's Friday. So let's see what we got here. And yes, I found all of this along the railroad tracks. I was so excited. Oh, there's some blue. I'm gonna have to, wow, that's really in there. Squirt that out. So I loaded up all 4 barrels. I put water in there. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna have to, I've never done this before. So you're watching for the first time with me. Anyway, I loaded up all 4 barrels with sand and water. Yeah, this is really interesting. Okay, definitely gonna have to hose that out. Lots of glass. And I just left them the way they were. I didn't even break them up. All right, let's do this. Couldn't believe it. I even found purple. How cool is that? And this is one of those telephone pole, part of a light. I don't know what you call those. Globe. The old-fashioned telephone pole glass. I don't know what they are. Anyway, someone in the comments can probably answer that. And the purple, I don't know, perfume bottle or something. That's pretty cool. I really got excited because I absolutely love blue glass. Look at that. And it's not even, I don't know, when it dries, if it'll be more frosted. Some of these had labels already on them. I think that's what that is. You know, like the painted on ones. I just left it. So here, let's do this. Get the rest of those out. Maybe. What the heck? So yeah, just sand and water. I went down to Lowe's, got some sand. Good grief, that's really in there. This is really interesting. That'd be pretty cool to like have displayed in the house. Maybe even make a wind chime. Interesting. Oh, let's see, what do we got here? Like I said, I didn't even, oh, that's funny. This is stuck in there. Really? Well, that makes for an interesting design. Yeah, I just threw them in there as they were. I didn't break any of these up. Pretty cool. I don't know if I should tumble them some more. They're very, very smooth. Pretty. How cool is that? Oh, and I've got a bunch of these, the bottoms of beer bottles, wine bottles. Some more in here. I think I've got another stash that I've collected. I literally collected all this in one night. There was that much glass. Of course, I walked quite a bit. But anyway, I think these are pretty cool. What do you think? Have you tumbled glass before? It was worth a try. So there you go. Pretty neat. Tumble on!